we all agree that our national anthem should be changed. You know, for me to be able to recite the previous one easily, it took me a lot of years. And now we have another one. It's definitely going to take me years to be able to recite this one too. The same thing applies to when you rebrand your business. Rebrand or rebranding is simply when a business or a brand change noticeable things about themselves. Let's say a brand or a business change their logo, their name, or their color. So anything that you can easily notice that it has been changed about the business. The things that might affect a brand and cause them to want to rebrand in the future, and how you can avoid these things, because sometimes these things can be a mistake from the past, or they can be a reason for growth. So in this video, we'll be discussing everything in detail. As a business owner that is starting out, you want to start a business or you want to start a new brand, first thing I will advise you to do is to take your name, your business name, to Google and take a search of that name. Let's say your name is Sky Notch Mind Agency. Type this Sky Notch Mind Agency on Google and see the result that comes out. Most of the time, I like working with a unique name. Something that has never been said, something that has never been done. So when I'm like starting out a new business or a new brand, the first thing is I'll try thinking of a unique name, a name that is not generic, something that I'm sure that nobody has ever thought about. So then I'll take this name to Google and take a search. Then when you make your research on this name, you definitely see if this name is okay for you to continue with, or you have to change the name. So the second thing, after making your Google search, try to search if the URL of this name you are starting out with hasn't been used or hasn't been bought. You know, for every business owner, especially people that are into online business, you need to make sure that you have an online presence for your name. So trying to create an online presence for your name is when you make your research that this name hasn't been used online before, or this name hasn't been used or is not affiliated with any business that doesn't have anything to do with what you are trying to do. So after making your search on Google, next thing you need to do is to do your country registration. I will advise you guys to try to search your business name with CAC before proceeding. After searching your name with CAC and making sure that you've registered the name with CAC, another thing I would like you to do is to check if this name hasn't been trademarked. There are a lot of trademarks websites that you can check where you will be able to know if this name has been trademarked or not. Then you come down to social media platforms. You try to check if this name that you want to use for your business hasn't been used on the social media space. Sometimes you can even search social media first, because a lot of people start business on social media and never take it to anywhere else. People impute or start using names, different names on social media, that where you will be shocked that whatever name that you are thinking for your business has already been used on social media. If you successfully follow these steps that I mentioned, it will prevent you from legal issues in the future. And this legal issue that always make businesses to rebrand, that will not happen to your business. And because you have registered your brand, you made sure that nobody have used the name before, and you are not going to find it difficult to register your URL with your business name, because nobody has ever bought that URL before. So that will make your business not to even want to rebrand, except you have reasons for growth. If you benefit from this video, kindly engage and share my videos for other people to benefit. Thank you for joining. See you in the next.